guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, then you guys know what's good already. So for today's video, I will be trying out a new wig from Rpghair. I believe I tried this wig on about a year and a half ago. This is the upgraded version of that wig, so this is one of their Yaki texture units. You know what, before I get into all of that, let me just open the box and see what's really in here. So in your box you get a brush, edge control brush. You get what is that? You also get an extra elastic for your wig. They send you 2 wig caps. Okay, so they sent me 2 extra elastics actually. We have our wig, and they also send you a little flyer with like their details, and on the inside I believe it's like instructions on how to wear your wig and all of that. And yeah, that is it. So I'm just removing this wig that I have on, and then we're gonna go ahead and try this other one. It smells amazing. What the hell is going on? Did they spray something on this wig? It smells so good. It has like a really nice floral scent to it. But so this is the wig. The knots does come bleach on this unit. Then try it on and see what it's working with. The last time I actually reviewed this wig, the knots were not bleached. It didn't come with like, it was definitely not as customized in the front there. So this one, like, they did go in and pluck some hair out of it. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the hair now that I'm finished with installing her. You guys can see she is gorgeous. This wig, you guys, is so beautiful, so easy to install. So this here is their 360 Yaki lace wig. I did get this here in an 18-inch. So the density on this wig is 150, but honestly, you guys, it does feel a lot heavier than that. So I'm not too sure whether it was a 150 or not, but the description does say that it is a 150, but like I said, it feels a lot heavier than that. The knots on this unit does come bleached, and also it comes with adjustable straps in the back there. So if ever you want to adjust your wig, like I was mentioning to you guys, I did review this wig from them a year ago, probably like a year and a half ago. I don't think it was a 360 wig. It was just like a regular lace front wig, like literally the exact same way, but I don't think it was a 360. It probably could have been. I honestly don't remember, like it was a year and a half ago, but from what I can remember from that same wig, you guys, the hair was so bum. I remember like me and my sister would literally wear the wig. It was around the summertime too, and if you guys know Caribana in Toronto, it's hot. Like it's extremely hot around that time, and we're outside playing mass. I remember my sister wore the wig after I did the review, and she had straightened it the morning before we went to Caribana. The morning she woke up, she just put the wig on, laid it down, whatever. Went to Caribana, came back, you guys. There was not even a knot. Mind you, you're here walking up your waistline. We're there dancing for like a whole good day or so on the road, playing mass or whatever. And the wig, when I tell you guys I was shocked how good this hair looked after she was done with it, I was so impressed. So like from what I can remember with this wig is like the wig does no wrong. Like this was one of the best wig I had that summer. Like the wig lasted me like the whole summer throughout the winter. Like the wig does no wrong. It stays bone straight. Once you straighten this hair, you only gotta straighten it once. And another thing is it takes the curl so well, you guys. So I feel like this is just the upgraded version of that wig that I had a year and a half ago from them. So when I got that wig the last time, it did not have the bleached knots. It didn't have the whole adjustable straps in the back. The wig does have like a really nice light Yaki texture to it. I love the fact that it's not too full, and I also love the fact that it's not too full. Like you guys know, some Yaki units, like those kinky Yaki ones, they just be too much be going on. So I love the fact that this one is really light, yet it also looks so natural, and it does feel really nice, like I said, you guys. So far I'm definitely not getting any shedding or any tangling as of right now. Like the hair is amazing. The hair is definitely like a 10 on 10. If I was to rate this hair, it's a 10. You don't have to worry about the ends of this hair looking like you're missing a bundle or two. The hair is full throughout the entire wig. You get what you pay for, and you guys, this wig is bomb. So you guys, it's also very affordable. So this wig right now, the 18-inch that I got, the same length, same specs and everything right now, is going for $148 on their website, so around $150, $148, you guys. Like come on, for a nice wig like this, you cannot go wrong. So I'll have all the details listed down below on where you can purchase this wig. I definitely suggest Rpghair. Check them out. They have a shit ton of wigs, you guys, at very affordable prices, and their wigs, the quality of their wigs are A1. So I know I say this for 3 specific companies. I'm not going to name them right now, but Rpghair is definitely in that list of those 3 companies that have like the best hair that I've been reviewing. So definitely check them out. I will never steer you guys the wrong way. I definitely would not recommend a wig to you guys that I personally would not wear myself, or I would not like recommend to my family and friends. You guys definitely are my family and friends. We're in this together. So, and honestly, you guys, like from the bottom of my heart, I would never recommend a product to you guys that I personally would not spend my hard-earned money on. Like I just wouldn't. That's really all I have to say. I don't have a lot to say on this hair because the wig is so freaking long. Like this wig cannot do no wrong. The only thing is you would have to pluck. You would have to go in and pluck some hair out of the front there. Definitely looks like they plucked it for you, but it's just not plucked enough. Like to be honest, if you put it on your head, it's gonna kind of look like a mat. Just yeah, so just pluck some more hair out of it and you'll be fine. That's really all you have to do. So yeah, that's the only thing I have to say bad on this hair. Just pluck some more hair out of it. But besides that, the hair is fine, you guys. And that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel in this wig. Also, if you tried this wig out before from them, let me know, what did you guys think about it? I absolutely love this wig, you guys. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next one. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.